Okay, beta. We are going to start the capital accounts. For the question number 5. So realization account already made. Last class. How many partners there, beta? Shruti, how many partners there?
Three partners.
2
Three
partners.
partners.
3 partners.
Yes, sir.
3 partners. Name, beta. Name of partners.
Sir, two partners are there.
Only 2 is there, na? That I remember when you were saying 3 partners, then I will. Okay, name, beta. Partner's name. Question number 5. New book.
A and B.
A and B. Okay, now start first by balance BD. Okay, just tell me the capital. Capital is what, beta? A and B. See the balance sheet. In that balance sheet, capital is given. Shruti, tell about the capital.
Sir, 4 lakh.
4 lakh and
2,50,000.
2,50,000. Okay. Okay, after this finished, just see that balance sheet again. In that balance sheet, anything is given that will distribute in the partner, as like that profit and loss, any goodwill, any reserve, any workman compensation fund, anything is given in that balance sheet.
General reserve.
What?
General reserve.
General reserve is given, then we distribute in the partners by general reserve amount, beta?
Sir, 90,000.
90,000. And ratio?
2:1.
2:1. 90,000, 2:1. What will come?
60,000. 60,000 and 30,000.
Okay. Finished? Anything else that is given that? Anything else, beta?
No, sir.
Nothing? Okay. Then start with the realization. In that realization, just see any type of profit or loss. Profit or loss, which is come? In realization,
Loss.
loss is there. Then loss will distribute this side to realization account and loss amount, beta. Loss amount.
Sir. Some.
The loss amount is 2,10,000.
Yes, sir.
2,10,000 is loss. Okay. So then this 2,10,000 divided 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. What amount will come? What amount will come? Just distribute this in 2 is to 1.
So 1,60,000.
1,60,000 and 2 is to 1, beta. 1
Yes, sir.
140 and 70, na? How 160? Profit saying this is 2:1 na beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the realization account. In that realization, anywhere capital is given. A capital or B capital or debit side or credit side. First see the debit side. First see the debit side. Any type of capital is given. Any partner taking the any assets or liability.
Creditor.
Any partner beta? Anyone?
Sir, a loan is given there in balance sheet.
Ashmita, switch on your mic. Last day,
Yes, sir.
that na? Realization account.
Yes, sir.
You have there as an account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell.
Sir, on credit side,
Yes.
buy A's capital account.
Why is a capital on credit side? Okay, that is coming on the credit side. Here, debit side. To realization. To realization account in A. What amount is there, beta? What amount is there?
2,40,000.
2,40,000. Shruti, switch on your mic. Switch off your mic. Shruti. Okay. Ashmita, next. Anything else?
Then buy B's capital account.
Okay, buy
1,80,000.
1,80,000.
80,000.
Okay. Both are coming this side. Only I am doing only transferring or posting the things, beta. Nothing new. I think you well know about this. If any account that name or capital will came, that will transfer in the capital account. It's known, beta. If capital is coming on credit side, so then we are transferring the capital account. On debit side, we just transfer on the debit side. Okay, these two. Okay. Anything else? Any other capital is given in liability credit side, beta?
No, sir.
We come on the debit side. Any capital just given in the debit side?
No, sir.
Okay, now finished. Again check in balance sheet any type of reserve, surplus, goodwill, anything is given in balance sheet, then will distribute it. Okay, I think nothing is given. Everyone check. I think one loan, please loan is not there. Okay, finished. Up to this is finished. Now going to balancing this. Okay, and that balance will put in a cash. Just see this side 2,80,000. 2,80,000. This side 4,60,000. 4,60, 2,80,000. Then difference amount 30,000, and this side only 80,000. It's a 2 cash. Okay, beta? It's a 2 cash. It's a game, beta. Just see, it's game or not.
Yes, sir.
It's game, na? Okay. Then we are going to make the cash account. Before the making of cash account, because of loan is given. Loan is there, na, beta? Or not?
Yes, sir.
Loan is there. So we are going to make the loan account. Okay. Only 2 loan account, very small type of loan account. First make one loan for, first is the A's loan. A's loan is there or not? Just see. Liability side. So then buy balance A loan amount beta, A loan amount. C liability side. I think is given liability side. A's loan amount. Ashmita, tell about that. A's loan amount.
Sir, A's loan at the rate of 12% per annum, 50,000.
Okay, it's a 50,000. It's a 50,000.
Yes, sir.
So then 50,000 that amount, and then by interest you calculate 3,000.
Sir, interest 3,000.
53,000. Okay. Finished? Cash is here. Finished? Okay, beta. Clear? Okay, now going to make the B's loan account. B's loan account is given or not?
Yes, sir.
Given. So then that loan for us now, we are giving the loan. So then put on the debit side. To B loan to balance amount beta
20,000.
20,000. Then we received by cash 20,000. Okay. Finished. 20,000 and 20,000. Finished now? Okay. Now we are going to start making the cash account. That final piece. Okay. Capital is finished. Then we are going to make the cash account. And remember the loan. Where on this place we are putting the cash, because by that place we are going to transfer that cash amount. Okay, beta? Okay. Now going to start making of cash account. Okay, beta, cash balance. Tell me the cash balance.
60,000.
Okay. Now go for the next. Just see on credit side of realization. Okay. Credit side of realization. Okay, beta. Any cash is given
Yes, sir. Sir, debtors.
to realization. What amount is there?
1,44,000.
Only for debtor. 1,44,000. Anything else?
No, sir.
Only one. 144 take outside. Okay. Any other cash?
Sir, now on debit side.
Now coming on debit side, then by realization. Okay. First cash is
Sir, creditor 60,000.
only for the creditor or anything else?
Sir, one more 1,000.
80,000 for creditor and 1,000 for expense. No, beta?
Yes, sir.
81,000.
Sir, 60,000.
60. Okay, then 61,000. Okay, beta? Finished? Any other cash in realization, beta? See the very clearly see these things. Okay.
Sir, interest one will be also taken.
Actually, interest we are just putting on the loan account, beta. When loan account transferring here, then we are putting that 3,000. Okay. Not two time. If here we are just putting that interest, so then we are not putting on the time of loan. Okay, beta. So then Start
are
with
over.
realization is over. Now see the capital account. In capital account cash, A capital, B capital, 60,000 and 30,000 na? 60,000 30,000 na? Just see. There or not? Come on the loan account. Buy a loan 53,000. Okay. And here two B's loan 20,000. Okay, beta. Buy the loan account. Now just see any other cases there. Total balance sheet is here 2,24,000 at that side, 2,04,000. Okay, something else is there. Okay, see the relation account, some cash is there also. Both loan you are paying and receiving, finished. What answer will came? 1,20,000. Ashmita,
Yes, sir.
24. Total of cash book.
Sir, 2,24,000.
224. This side okay.
Yes, sir.
Side not came. 20,000 more. We need it. Some expenses are. Just see again realization account. In that realization something is given for 20,000.
Sir, in hint it is written B's loan 20,000 appearing on asset side. Is the loan given to B? It will be recovered from him and will be recorded on debit side of bank account.
That is written, huh? So written. This set came. This set came, beta. Only this set not came. Any type of liability payment that we are not. Creditor only 60,000 beta. Anything else? Base capital, realization, A is capital and B is capital. A is capital, B is capital amount beta. For you 80,000 and 30,000 beta. Let's say 80,000. So it will be 80,000 and 30,000, 110. Okay, so it will be 2,24,000. Let's say 80,000. Yes, 80 and 30. So I am asking you all, beta. So I am asking you all, but you are not saying is 80 and 60. Because capital, I just removed this capital account. So I didn't know about that 80 or 60, so I will do 60 only. Here 80, 30% and 110 this. On this way we are solving the question. Okay? Clear?